I have a question. We spoke about suffering here, and then the things which came out were that we have desires, that's why we suffer. So desires would be I want this, I want that, materialistic things and all that. And on the other hand, we're talking about detaching ourselves from everything and be it this body also in this physical form. But what about a suffering which is in this body? So right now my spirit, my soul is body and soul fundamentally might be different, but right now I'm inside this body. I can feel the pleasures and the pain. So what about this suffering? One is that I want a big house, I want bigger job, big company, big position.
Physical discomfort.
One is that.
Physical. You are asking about physical discomfort.
How do we?
Actually, again, the intellectual understanding, sharpness to understand things. Physical discomfort is different from the suffering. Suffering is interpretation of that physical discomfort. The amount of physical discomfort you are feeling, it's real. So you have to handle it. But when you interpret that discomfort, that becomes suffering. We have seen many saints going through tremendous physical discomfort, but you can see a divine smile, you can see a great peace in their lives. Have you seen Raman Maharishi's popular photograph? Ramana Maharishi's, that popular photograph you see everywhere. That is, I think, few weeks before his death, and he was suffering through cancer, and body was in great suffering. But see his face, see the face of that man, eyes of that man, smile, it is beyond. Because he is not attached to that suffering, but he is not denying that suffering. It is not like denying. You know this discomfort is here, and you are treating whatever you can do, you are doing. You know this much you can do and this much you can't do. So you have accepted. But you are not interpreting, it should not happen, why it happened to me, why it happened to my loved one, why. You are not asking this type of questions. Clearly and practically you are seeing that discomfort and that pain, and believe it. In this scenario, we can handle that pain more easily. We can handle every discomfort very spontaneously and very smoothly. That and miraculous healings happen. Actually, in medical scenario, we many times see miraculous healings. Actually, when that miraculous healing happens, there is a great acceptance of that pain. When you accept body is in pain, and you don't analyze that pain, you don't analyze emotional analysis and mental analysis, suddenly something happens. So actual pain will be there, actual damage will be there, but interpretation will not be there. That is the main suffering. So I am not saying discomfort will not be there, pain will not be there. I am not saying like this. It will be. Pleasure will be there, pain will be there. Amounts may vary. In everybody's life, amounts will vary. Even in any saint, even in any avatar, in anybody's life, pain and pleasure both will remain. But in saint's life, there is no identification, so there is no suffering. In ordinary person's life, there is identification, so there is suffering. Suffering is always mental.